Okay, this problem we are given the vertex and then the point on the graph, and then we need to find the general form. Uh, now, this is the problem I'm gonna try. I would like to change this from, I'm not gonna use 2 0, maybe the problem I'll use is 3 0, and this is not 4 and 4, maybe I'll try 5 and 5. Okay, so now in order for me to write this one, first of all, I can quickly write that into uh, so-called the standard form, so which means the vertex form. So I quickly identify the vertex here. The x is 3, the y is 0, right? So therefore I'm gonna say x minus 3 plus the y, which is 0. So that's the vertex, 3 and 0. And then now, what's the role of the second point? It will help me find this a. So because when this point says 5 and 5 is on the graph, that means when the y coordinate is 5, when x coordinate is 5, right? So I can do a quick algebra here. 5 equals a times 2. Therefore, you know a is equal to 5 half. So now, therefore I know my function looks like this. F of x equals, I'm sorry that I actually missed one thing. This is supposed to be square here. So I'm gonna correct myself mistake here. So 5 half x minus 3 square and plus a 0. I'm gonna skip that one. So which is because we need to write that into standard general form, so we need to expand it. So 5 half. Now use the square of the binomial formula, because this is called binomial actually. The or you can call it this as perfect square. So x square, I mean, if you have a minus b, then it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So therefore I'm going to write this as x square minus 2 times x times negative times 3, which is 6x, plus 3 square, which is 9. And at the end, my the problem that I have would look like this. So just drop the parentheses and multiply everything, right? So this is the problem that I will have.